Hello everybody, welcome back. I'm here today with another Drape Fit unboxing. Drape Fit is a monthly subscription. They have women's, men's, and kids clothing subscriptions. They are a super affordable clothing subscription, but you get like the whole luxe experience. It's really great. You get a personal stylist, you get to keep what items you want, send back the rest. It's brands you know and love. I've absolutely enjoyed getting my Drape Fit shipments, and I'm excited to get into today's box and see what we got. Okay, I got it cut open, and then you open it and you get this really nice presentation. And then you open it up. All your clothes are inside. But let me look for my card that comes with it. Should be somewhere in here. There it is. Alright, and here, with every shipment, you will get your Drape Fit envelope. And inside, you will find your list of all your items, how much they cost, and all that. But my favorite part is your letter from your personal stylist. This is my absolute favorite part. I have had this same stylist. This is my 6th box, and my stylist's name is Paulette. And I love that it's an actual person picking out my items and getting to know me and my style. And that is just the absolute cherry on top. I absolutely love this part of it. They write you a little note, and this is what mine says for this shipment. It says, "Hi Candy, it's Paulette. For your 6th fit box, I picked out a pair of blue denim Bermuda shorts that can be paired with your yellow and white short sleeve button down shirt, your purple long sleeve wrap style tie waist top, or your orange and cream tie-dye sleeveless top. I also added a cute red and black sleeveless short cocktail dress. I hope you are delighted, and I can't wait to read your feedback. Please feel free to take photos of yourself in your new fits. They can either be emailed to us or you can share them on our Instagram page. Stay safe and have a stylish day." So that's my favorite part. I love getting the notes from my stylist, and you get to know why they pick things for you and everything. It's really, really great. So let's get into the clothes and see what we got. Right here on top is that long sleeve purple top. It looks a little blue on camera. Maybe once I upload it won't, but on my viewfinder it looks a little blue, but it's actually purple. And it's got the little wrap in the front and the little tie. It's a really, really soft material. Oh my gosh, I wish you could feel this. It is so very soft. It's oh my goodness, it's just like a pillow. So it is by the brand Melon, and it looks like it's gonna fit really good, and it's a really nice thick fabric, but like I said, it's super soft and comfortable. Then we've got this sleeveless orange tie-dye top. Orange is my favorite color, and I've mentioned that, and it looks like there's another thing in here that has orange in it. Orange and yellow are my favorite colors, and I see them incorporating those colors into my shipments because look at this. It is so cute. I like the high neck little ruffle, and then it's got a tie on the back, and it's a thinner fabric. So it'd be really nice right now while it's warm, but you could easily throw a blazer with this whenever it cools off. So I can't wait to try that one on. And then we've got a button down top that's got orange, yellow, and white in it. I think this is gonna be really cute. You could wear this open with a little crop top or a tank, or you could even just button these few buttons here. I love a button-down top. I've been wanting to add more button-down tops to my wardrobe. So I love that I got this, and I love that it's in the colors that I already know that I'm gonna love. And it is a really nice fabric. It is by the brand Kut. It's K-U-T. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that right. And I didn't say the brand of this one. The brand of this one is THML. So, and then we've got the Bermuda shorts that were mentioned in my stylist letter. These look like a really good stretch. They got 3 buttons in the front there. They are very good quality. Oh, I love these. These are very nice. They're by the brand Royalty for me. And they sent me some capris in my last shipment that fit me really, really good. And they were by the same brand. So I've never heard of this brand before, but I love that they introduced me to it because they fit me really well. And they got a lot of good stretch. And they're like a really good quality denim. So I like that. And then our last thing in here is the cocktail dress, I believe. Oh, that's really cute. Look at that. It's got like a shimmery top to it on top. It's got the little cutout here. And it's got kind of a ruffle pattern on it in the front here. I think this is gonna fit me really, really good. I don't normally wear these colors, but I'm interested to see how this looks on me. I think it's gonna fit really well. So that is all for our shipment. I'm gonna try them on and see what they look like. I always tell people, even if you unpack your shipment, ooh, I hope that was nothing important. No, it's just the scissors. Okay. If you unpack your things and you're like, I don't like this, I'm not sure about this, try it on. Trying clothes on can completely change your mind about something. And I love stepping outside of that comfort zone and actually trying on clothes that I normally wouldn't pick up for myself off of the rack in the store. And that is the beauty of clothing subscription services. You actually get to broaden your style and try things that you wouldn't normally try. Like, you can go into it with just a straight mindset, but try them on, because you know, you may try something on and be like, you know what, I like the way this looks on me. So we're about to do just that. Let's give these a try and see what we think. Okay, here are the denim shorts. They're very comfortable to start out with. They are so comfortable. They're really good quality. They've got these 3 buttons in the front. It almost feels double lined, but it's sewn at the bottom. But you can tell there's like 2 layers here. I love the color. This is one of my favorite colors, and I love the neckline. It's a really pretty neckline, and it's got a little button in the back and a little keyhole opening. And like I said, I wouldn't wear them with these shorts, but I would probably wear them with some like shorter shorts probably. Or even, you know what this would be really pretty with is a long maxi skirt. This would be so cute with a long maxi skirt, like a long white, or even like, you could wear a denim skirt, like a long denim skirt. I just feel like this needs something long because there's so much fabric with it that I feel like it needs something a little longer. But this would look good, or with some oversized jeans even, have that whole like oversized look, and some cute little chunky sneakers. Oh my gosh, my mind's just going. I could just make so many outfits with these 2 things. Oh my gosh. They do so good sending me clothes. I absolutely love it. Okay, so I'm gonna go try on a different shirt so we can see what the shorts look like with a different style top. I absolutely love this button-down top. It's like I wanted more button-down tops, but I never dreamed of adding a button-down top that had orange and yellow in it. So the fact that they found this, saw this, and was like, she needs this. Like, it's like they just know what I'm thinking. They're like, she doesn't know she needs this top. that she needs this top. And I absolutely love it. Like, this is so dang cute. You can wear it like this, just buttoned up. Some cute little chunky necklaces would be really cute with it. You could also wear it open with a little crop top or tank underneath it. And you know what? How else you could wear this top? You could also wear this just open with a little like bikini underneath it to the beach. That would be super cute. I love this top. It's very versatile. You can do so many things with it. I love the little tie-dye colors to it. It's got the little split on the side. It's a lightweight fabric, so it's great for right now. I like it, and I love that you can layer it, because when it gets cooler, you can do like a tank underneath it, you can do this top, and then you can do like a little denim jacket over it. And you've got a whole little layered cute look, so this is a good transition piece too. I think this may be my favorite piece. I know I haven't tried everything on, but I love this top. It's just so me. I love it. It's cute. It is so cute. It's got the little pocket here, the little buttons in the front, the little shiny pearl buttons. Adorable. I love this top. I cannot wait to style this top. It is so cute. Okay, I'm gonna be real honest with you. I didn't think I was gonna like this top on me, but it fits so good. I think it actually fits me better than the other top. And this is gonna be such a nice color going into fall. It's that like plum, that deep, it's not really a plum, I'd say it's more like an eggplant color. It's so pretty, and I love this little tie because you could do so much with it. I've got it tied right here, but it's pretty long, so you could even just tie it in the back and have a long tie back there, or you could wrap it around the front and have a shorter one here. You could just wrap this one around and tie it here on the side. Like, you could do so much with this little tie, but I like that you can just put it around the front and tie it right here in the front. I think that looks really cute. But it's, like I said before, it's just such a soft fabric. It is so, so pretty. It's got this like ruching right here, which I appreciate so much because it's just flattering to my figure. And I love that it comes down pretty low, but I don't feel like I'm like overexposed. It's really pretty. It's the perfect balance of cute, sexy, and comfy. Like, all three of those things. I like this. I think this would be cute with a little denim skirt. Even in the cooler months, like a little leather skirt. Yep, that'd be cute. And some jeans and little heels. Like, all these pieces are so versatile. I really, really love that about it. So I like this top so much, and I really didn't think I was going to like it that much, but that's why I say try it on, because you never know. I love this top, and I think it fits better than the other top. So try it on, because you never know. Okay, so all we have left now is the cocktail dress, so let me give that a go and see what we think about that one. This dress fits so good. It looks like it was made just for me. It's like that little black dress moment, but a little extra zhuzh, because you've got this like shimmery top part, you got the little keyhole opening, and in the back it's got a couple little buttons and another little opening there. I really love it. This top, oh my goodness. This dress is so cute. I don't know where I would wear it. Like, where am I going in this dress? Is this like a date night dress or a party dress? This, you know what? This would be really cute during Christmas with a black blazer even. This don't have to just be a sexy little date night dress. This can very easily be transitioned into fall. I can see wearing maybe some black pantyhose and some leather boots with it, and a little leather jacket. Oh my god, guys, I didn't even think about that till just now. Because when I first put this on, I was like, I don't even know where I'm going to wear this, but it's really pretty. You could totally make this an edgy fall winter outfit. Or, you could, like I said, you could dress it up and do a blazer and some heels. I mean, look at this. And then, of course, you've also got your cute little summer date night dress. So it's really cute and it fits so good. I love the ruffles in the front. That just, I don't know, it just gives it that little something extra. Like I said, it is that little black dress with just a little extra sparkle and pizzazz. I like it. It's so pretty. Alright guys, so let's talk prices. The cocktail dress is $22.50. That is such a good price for a dress. And the button down, no, okay, the shorts are $32.99. Those are a really good quality denim, so I like that price. The button down blouse is $30. The wrap style tie waist top, the eggplant colored top, is $26.75. And the tie-dye sleeveless top is $29.99. So nothing is over $40. And the good thing about them is if you decide to keep everything in your box, you get a 25% off discount. Like, how great is that? That's almost like getting one of the items for free. So you get 25% off your total if you keep everything in your box. So everything in my box totaled $142.23, but with the discount, it would be $116.77. So that's like a really great deal because most other subscription services are charging you $100 per item almost. Sometimes over that. The whole box is $100 basically, with your discount and everything. So that is a really, really great deal. They are, like I said, they're just affordable. Affordable fashion is absolute my passion here. I want to share ways that you guys can have trending styles come to your door, and you can save money while you're at it. And Drape Fit has definitely helped do that for me. So if you're interested in signing up for your own Drape Fit box, I'm going to put the information below. I have a code where you can save a little bit of money, and you can use that and save money off your first box. And let me know in the comments below if you've ever tried Drape Fit, if you're thinking about it, because I want to see what you guys think, because I've been pleasantly surprised. Like I said, this is my 6th box, and I've enjoyed every single one. And I feel like as time goes on, they get to know my style a little more, and it just keeps getting better and better. So I'm really excited to see what's to come in the future with this box. I've been pleasantly surprised with it. So that is it for me today, guys. Thank you for hanging out with me and unboxing this box and trying on all these cute clothes. And I will see you guys in the next one. If you do not mind, give this video a thumbs up. And let's have a conversation below. Leave me a comment. And if you haven't already, what are you waiting on? Subscribe to my channel. I do a lot of unboxings. I do some hauls here and there. I throw in a couple of vlogs here and there. We have fun over here. So it's really chill, really laid back, and just all about affordable style. So yes, if you do not mind, hit the subscribe button. And if you can hit the notification bell, and it'll let you know every time I upload. And I can see you guys in the next video. Have a wonderful day. Bye.